Most of us will definitely admit the fact that nowadays we cannot leave our smartphone without installing WhatsApp on it. Today in this video, I'm going to share 2 WhatsApp tricks which will come in handy in your regular workflow. What's up guys, you are watching TECHNICARENA. Without any further ado, let's get started. In some situation, we need to note down few things very quickly and we search for the perfect note-taking app. What if I tell you that you can use your WhatsApp for taking your notes? Just create a group adding one contact and then remove that contact from the group. Bam! You have got a free space in your WhatsApp where you can take multiple notes. We often like the pictures and the videos of our contacts, which they upload in their WhatsApp stories. Instead of taking screenshots or asking them to send the files, you can apply this trick. Open your file manager, go to the internal memory and look for the WhatsApp folder. Inside that folder, you will get a folder called media, and entering into that folder, you will see the folder named .statuses, where you will find all the media files of the WhatsApp stories that you have seen. So that's it for today guys, thanks for watching this video. If this video helps you, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to follow me on other social networks, especially on Instagram. I'll be back with another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. This is Nilanjan signing off. Peace.